U.S. President Donald Trump announced on the social media website Truth Social that he will cut off all aid to South Africa until further notice, citing the country's land reform policy. This follows an executive order he signed to reduce U.S. financial assistance due to disapproval of South Africa's land policy and its genocide case against Israel at the International Court of Justice. U.S. Ndiho interviewed Maropeng Mpya, a political commentator in Johannesburg, for further perspective.
This is not a new act. This is an amendment to an older act that was passed many moons ago before the constitutional dispensation. I think what is missing from the conversation that I've seen so far, and I mean even from Donald Trump himself, it's that there are two ways in which you look at land in South Africa. First, land is an issue of justice. Now, when we Africans, South Africans, say we need to redress the issue of land, they only deal with the cosmetics of land redistribution. We shouldn't be speaking about land redistribution. We should be speaking about what does it mean to say land justice. There's nowhere in South Africa where we will say we'll take the land back from white South Africans to the exclusive of black people and we will draw them to the sea. There's no such a thing. They will continue. They will have land tenure rights. They will continue to farm. Those land that are not being used effectively are the ones that can be expropriated for public use in the public interest. But what you hear from Trump and his allies and the people in South Africa, they will want to make the world think that we are going around expropriating people's land. That is untrue.
How much of an impact do you think these sanctions are going to have on South Africa?
It will have a negative impact. America, it's our biggest trader. But having said that, Mr. Paul, it provides an opportunity, and I wish that my countrymen, both in South Africa and in the continent, could seize this opportunity and say, my people, you will suffer, but as you're suffering, there's China, there's Russia, there's Saudi Arabia, there's many countries whom we can trade with and not become subservient human beings to other human beings.
Your president has gone on record to say that South Africa and South Africans will not be bullied or to succumb to this kind of demand from the United States.
The simple matter is, as we sit in South Africa, white people are the majority farmers who produce the food for us. As we speak, America and its allies are our biggest traders. So when we say we will not be bullied, what are we going to do? There's nothing else that we can do at this point. We have wasted 30 years in not cultivating proper independence where we can sustain our own economies. South Africa's economy is within the hands of multinational corporations and white South Africans. So he can speak tough all he wants. The fact of the matter is, if white people pull out of South African economy, blacks will suffer. So anyone can tell me what they want to do and try to insult Trump and act all tough. The fact of the matter is they cannot back up their toughness simply because our capitalist economy is intrinsically linked to that of the West, and you don't have any policy maneuvering.
That was Maropeng Mpya, a political commentator in Johannesburg. He spoke with VOA's Ndiho.